Welcome back to the shop. Today I made a part. Today I made the motor actuator. It's like a teeter-totter part. The motor sits on this far end here, okay, and the brake pad sits on this part, and the tire, which is going around, which will go round and round, is right above it here. And when you push on the treadle, the motor, which is over here, then goes up in the air. And actually, the wheel that's attached to the little pulley that's attached to the motor engages the tire. The tire turns and starts making your hammer go up and down. When you let go of the treadle, the weight of the motor goes down, and actually, this has a brake pad on it. It goes up and engages against the tire, so the tire stops moving. Pretty cool. So these plans are pretty neat. Ray Clontz tire hammer. Pretty darn interesting how everything is like a big erector set. You pretty much buy the steel. You cut the steel into the pieces that are on your parts list. I numbered them, both sides. So here you have number 8. I marked this one number 38, and it corresponds, of course, with something on your parts list. When you put your pieces together, now you have assemblies. Many assemblies make the whole tire machine. So I just put these two parts together and drilled the holes in the proper areas, welded up. There you go. This one was a little bit more complex. This one right here is this one's going to have some bearings. These are where some clevis pins go through. These little holes right here, and these are the stops to hold the clevis pins in so that they don't spin. Inside are some armatures that come down here, and that's a part of your pitman arms, I think those are called. So, arm cross head assembly. Yeah, well, you know what it is. So, anyway, learning as I go. I'm not a professional welder, that's for sure, but I have some good equipment and making it work, and it makes this job a lot easier. Can you do this with a buzz box? Absolutely. It's a lot easier, though, with a nice welder to do these kind of things, and to have a full shop. I don't have that, but I'm making do with what I got, and it's a lot of fun. So like I said, this Ray Clontz hammer is pretty cool. I also cut out that's the main mast there that goes, it's like the spine of the machine, the back of it, and then down here are the spacers that will eventually go. And then here is the anvil part. It's supposed to be a 36-inch tall piece of steel, but I didn't have a 36-inch piece of steel, so I bought a steel beam, 1 inch thick, and I bought 6 of them, so they're 6 inches thick by 8 inches across. Going to weld those together and make one giant piece. It's actually a lot easier to move these little pieces around. Get them in position. Here's the base. That's a 1 inch piece thick of steel. It is 2 by 2 foot by 2 foot, and that's the actual base. And then that'll be bolted into the floor. Of course, I got to cut about a 4-foot square hole in the floor, dig down about 3 feet, fill it full of concrete, and then that gets sit on top of it so that I don't rattle my neighbor's teeth out of his jaw when he's sitting in his chair in his house about 100 yards away. So anyway, that's where we're at. So far so good, moving along, and hopefully soon I'll have some more parts built. Thanks for watching.